what I've been working on the past 2 semesters. So last semester I implemented the canvas map feature, and I will show you that. I also completely restructured the code. So in this semester I implemented the TP guide fragment, and uses SQLite database to store all the channels and everything. And I also implemented the shuttle tracker. It has the same exact look and feel as shuttles.rpi.eu. And I also improved the weather a bit. I added a background and made sure that the weather actually displayed Troy, New York, and not Troy in Michigan or Troy, Alabama, or something like that. Because the open weather map API seems to be kind of inconsistent. So I fixed that. And yeah, just a lot of bug fixing going on now. So I'm going to be releasing version 1.0 on the Google Play Store on May 6th. So I'm going to be trying to market this a lot, get lots of people to use it. I hope here with Android we can use it. It's been a one-person effort really for the past 2 semesters, so I really want to get some more people on the team for the fall so I can really get things going. I've been doing a lot of low-level work, so the UI isn't really that great compared to the iOS version. And yeah, so you should totally join because your projects are probably not as exciting as this. So upcoming changes in future semesters, I'm going to add some dynamics in the background image for the weather so that it displays an image that corresponds to the current conditions. And I'm going to also integrate RPI directory into the app. And consistent with the iOS version of the app, I'm going to try to get more email out there. And the athletics feature is also in need of some improvement. Right now it just shows a list of stories, but I wanted to show rosters and schedules. So also adding some more Twitter feed and such like that. I think the Twitter UI is pretty good, but we can always add more. And yeah, so just overall, I just need people and stuff like that to help with the UI. So also we're going to try to get it integrated with the server that we have written in Python. So that would require like an entire overhaul of the code because right now it directly accesses websites and scrapes HTML and stuff like that. So we're trying to move away from that and get a server dedicated on RPI's server so that we can just use JSON queries and stuff. And also I want to try to migrate from using the Action Bar Sherlock library, which provides backwards compatibility of certain UI components to older versions of Android devices. And I want to use Action Bar Compat because Action Bar Sherlock has ceased development and it uses deprecated functions. And Action Bar Compat is supported. So what time is it? It's demo time.
All right. One for best presentation.
So when you first open the app, it opens up the sidebar here. And so this is the weather right now. I want to get it to change background and stuff like that. I've got laundry, shows various laundry room statuses. The Twitter feed. Athletics. And clicking on an item will bring you to that story. Same idea of clicking on an event, except RPI's calendar doesn't really bring you to the specific event. So that's an issue that they have. I worked on shuttles this semester, and it might look familiar to the actual website. So it'll show you their location and their speed. Shows you all the stops too. It updates every 15 seconds. I also worked on the map, so it just shows you a list of buildings right now. I want to be able to make it searchable, so you can type in like the beginning of a building or something, and it will narrow down the results. So pretty basic right now. It shows you your location too, so you can know where you are in relation to buildings and campus. And take a guide, really simple right now. Just shows you all the channels, and clicking on an item will bring you to that website for the network. And then lastly, videos is kind of lackluster. It just opens up the YouTube app and brings you to RPI's YouTube channel. So hopefully I can add a sort of UI so you can go to Twitter so you can select from different channels to view. So my goals are to get the UI consistent looking across platforms on Android and iOS, and to get the same set of features for both. So as I said, I didn't update those slides. I'm going to be releasing on May 6th. And so future semesters I'm going to add in RPI directory. So thank yous to the usual suspects, and any comments.
If you could somehow make it tell me when my laundry's done, I would have cared about that before I graduated. If that's possible to do.
Yeah,
I hate
probably. Yeah,
Just right.
It's so nice. And then I have to set the timer. Okay, Google. Yeah, it's so hard.
Skip the website, is that what the website is so crashy?
Yeah.
Yeah, right now the website, the app just screens the laundry page, and what I plan on doing is, well, we have the iOS version of the app uses the Python server to scrape that page and present that in JSON format. So I'm gonna try to hopefully, if we can get the server on like a dedicated location, I'll just use that. And I also want to be able to add in where you can choose a specific building, and it will show you the times for each machine. So a little bit more information.